Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you 5 things that I hate. I'm not gonna use the word hate. I might use the word hate because I feel very strongly about these things. So yeah, 5 things I hate about Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. So to break this down, Poshmark, I have been full-time reselling on Poshmark for 3 years now. Yeah, 3 years this month. I created my account back in 2016 and I was just selling like random things back then, like things from my closet. And then I started part-time reselling for about 6 months and then I went full-time. So I've been full-time reselling on Poshmark for 3 years. Mercari, I have been reselling on for 2 years. I think I started like a year after I went full-time on Poshmark. And then eBay, I used eBay back in the day when I was young. I sold things on eBay. I bought things on eBay. This was back when you did like friggin' money orders. It was a whole different thing back then. I've sold things off and on eBay for years and years and years. My current eBay account, I think I created it in 2010, I think. And again, I just sold like random things. But I recently started doing eBay more full time in January. That's when I started putting like a lot of effort into it. So it's only been like 3 months, really. We're gonna start with Mercari. First thing I hate about Mercari is if you have an issue and you need to contact someone at Mercari, it takes fucking forever. Their customer service sucks. So I'm in the process of doing a little experiment and I had to kind of like rearrange things on my computer and I ended up getting logged out of Mercari. So I tried to log back in and it said, this device isn't recognized. We're going to send a text message to this phone number and the last 4 digits of the phone number weren't the last 4 digits of my phone number. So I'm like, what the fuck? And I literally could not log back into my account. I couldn't log in on my phone. I'm like, this is so annoying. So somehow the phone number on my account got changed. I don't know, but it took them 2 days to get back to me, which was shitty because I had made sales and it was such a pain in the ass, but they eventually got back to me and they're like, oh yeah, we'll just remove the phone number. Like it literally, I feel like it took them like 2 seconds once they read my email. This isn't the first time I've had to communicate an issue with them. Just every time it sucks. They take forever. They suck. Their customer service sucks. Another thing that sucks is their sizing options. Oh, I get so frustrated. So basically what I do is I list everything on Poshmark first and then I cross list onto Mercari and eBay using Vendoo, and it's just so fucking annoying, especially with jeans. With jeans, if I have like a size 2 jeans, nope, they want the actual waist size. We want numbers. We don't want like a size. We want the actual waist size. It's so fucking annoying. You can get around that in some categories by choosing, is it shorts? I think if you choose like all shorts as opposed to like a specific type of short, then you can get around, like you can put like more sizing options. But yeah, it's just annoying. You need to change that. It's annoying. Okay, another thing, we'll save that one for last. No bundling option, which sucks. I sell a lot of bundles on Poshmark and I don't know. I've sold a couple bundles on Mercari before, but I had to create a listing and put like pictures of everything in the one listing. Like you can't bundle things, which is annoying. I'm someone that sells a shit ton of bundles and it's really irritating. It really is. Another thing that sucks is that you can only get paid $500 in instant pay every month. So Mercari has 2 paying options. You can get instant pay, which you get paid right away as soon as your earnings are released, as soon as like the sale is complete. And then there's the other option, which I think takes like 24 to 48 hours. When I want my money quick. So I like instant pay, but you can only do $500 a month, which is so ridiculous. I don't know. I guess it has to do with like fees and stuff because there probably are fees to be able to do instant pay. It's just annoying. And then, oh my gosh, the thing that I really hate the most about Mercari is that when I sell something and the buyer rates me, I cannot see their rating until I rate them. Like, what the fuck? That's to protect the buyer? Like, what about protecting the seller? Because I've gotten screwed over a few times where I've had like an awesome transaction and I rated them, 5 stars, oh, great communication, blah, blah, and they rated me like 2 stars, 2 or 3 stars. And they're like, no reason. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, that's so, I don't understand that. That doesn't make any sense. Why? Why are we protecting the buyer and not the seller? Like, this should be equal. I don't think there's any other platform. Sorry if I'm like squinting, but my eyes, I don't know, they're really dry today and this light is just really bright and it's the end of the day, it's 4 o'clock, I'm ready to go to bed. I don't know why Mercari's like, well, you can't see their rating until you rate them. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. I don't know. All right, moving on to, let's do Poshmark. There's lots of things I don't like about Poshmark. Poshmark is my number 1, although eBay is slowly creeping up. I don't know why I waited so long. I've said this in a few videos now. I don't know why I waited so long to sell on eBay. I should have done it literally years ago because eBay sales are really, really good. Okay, but Poshmark. First thing I hate about Poshmark is sharing. I know a lot of people don't like the sharing aspect. Poshmark is different than Mercari and eBay in that it is a social app. They encourage sharing. They encourage liking, they encourage interaction on there, whereas, Mercari and eBay are like, just list it and forget it. So the sharing aspect is annoying. I think everyone can agree with that. I don't really know anyone that likes to share their closet to make sale. Another thing I don't like is the lack of shipping options. I know a lot of people don't like that as well. It's annoying when you have, like a lightweight, like what did I sell recently? Oh, it was a tank top, like a really, really lightweight tank top, and the buyer had to pay friggin' $718? What is shipping now? I don't even know. But they had to pay a lot for this like tank top, and it was like so light. Shipping's good if you have, a bunch of things or like heavier things, but not if you have like lightweight things. Like if you're a jewelry seller, no, Poshmark is no. The other thing is the fee percentage, 20%. That's a big fee. I don't know exactly what the other platforms are. I think Mercari, what is it like? Poshmark just has like a flat 20% fee, whereas Mercari and eBay have like final value fees. And then if you do promoted listings, and then Mercari is like 30 cents per transaction or something. I don't know the exact numbers. But 20%, that's a lot. It really is. And it sucks. Another thing I don't like about Poshmark is that you can't see previous offers that you've sent someone until you've sent them an offer. I don't know how many times I've sent someone like, like a $25 offer, and then I send them like a $30 offer after, and they're like, what the fuck? You sent me this offer before. Would you change your mind? I'm like, I'm sorry, I don't keep track. Poshmark doesn't keep track. It's annoying. That's definitely annoying. Quite a few times I have sent like multiple offers, and then like the most recent offer will be more than a previous offer. It's obnoxious. Last thing is the algorithm changes. You guys know everyone's dealing with it right now. They changed it a couple of weeks ago, then they changed it back because everyone complained, and then they changed it back to the way that it was, and they said they made, some more changes, but it's still like pretty shitty. I guess, I've seen a couple of people say this. A couple of people commented on one of my recent videos and said that they reached out to Poshmark and they're encouraging other people to reach out to Poshmark if they still are unhappy about the algorithm changes. I'm thinking about maybe sending them an email. I mean, it can't hurt. If enough people reach out, maybe they'll be like, oh shit. Maybe, I don't know, it's worth a shot. They were annoying. I feel like the search was just fine, and then they went and changed it, and now it's like just not fine at all. Okay, so eBay. Because I'm so new to like full-time reselling on eBay, like I said, I've been selling on eBay like off and on for years. I never really paid attention to anything. I was like, oh, I don't want this anymore. I'm just gonna sell it on eBay. Like I didn't care about, promoting my listing, like everything else that comes with eBay. So I only could think of 3 things that bug me. I'm sure as I'm on there longer, more things will come up. First thing is, I don't like that you can only send one offer. Correct me if I'm wrong, right? You can only send one offer. I think I read somewhere where eBay was like, oh, we don't want to overwhelm buyers with multiple offers. And I'm like, I don't like that. I want to be able to send people multiple offers. I mean, you can counter, but like if I send someone an offer and then they don't respond to it, I want to be able to send them another offer, like not like right away and be annoying, but eventually. So I don't know. That's just kind of annoying, I think. Okay, another thing I don't like about eBay is just like Mercari, you can't bundle on there. I'm a bundler. I'm a bundle queen, a self-coined bundle queen, and you can't sell bundles on eBay, which sucks. Again, you could make like one listing, right? Can you do that on eBay? Can you make one listing with like multiple things in it? Yeah, I'm sure you can. But yeah, that's annoying. I want to be able to just have my listings and have people add them to a bundle, but you can't on eBay. Okay, the thing that bugs me the most about eBay is why the fuck don't they require immediate payment? They're the only platform, they're the biggest fucking selling platform, but they're the only platform that doesn't require someone to pay immediately unless they buy it outright. So even if like somebody sends me an offer and I accept it, so it's like, hold on, this is so strange to me. It's literally me being like, hey, I'm going to give you $20 for this sweatshirt. And then the seller's like, okay. And they like go to take the money and you're like, wait a second. I'll just pay you when I want to pay you, or maybe I won't even pay you. Like, I don't understand why eBay doesn't require immediate payments. Supposedly that's going to happen like in the summertime. I don't know. I feel like I've heard multiple people say that, but there are stipulations to it. I don't know. I don't know anything about it, but I just know that it's annoying when I sell something and then it's like, okay, it's like on Poshmark, when somebody sends you an offer and you accept the offer, the payment goes through right away. On eBay, when somebody sends you an offer and you accept the offer, it's like, oh, well, maybe we'll make them pay. Actually, they have as long as they want to pay. Like, you can cancel after 4 days. Like, I don't want to be, like, chasing people, you know? Like, I don't have time for that. I posted on Instagram a couple days ago. I was like, what do you guys do, you know, with non-paying people? Because I've had, I think it was 3 different times where people have, you know, sent offers and I've accepted it, and then nothing. They just didn't pay. If they're gonna do that, then they should have the item still be available, you know, because that like ties up the item. So let's say I'm like selling this sweatshirt and somebody sends me an offer for like $30 and I accept it. This is gonna say that it's sold even though they haven't paid for it. But in the meantime, what if somebody else comes along and they want to pay $40 for it? It's not like, it can't happen. I feel like the item should still be available until the fucking payment is made. Like, it just, I don't know. I don't understand that. It's so annoying. I like eBay. I'm doing really well on eBay, but it's just, I don't know. I don't want to have to chase people down for payment. With every other platform, you pay right away. It's not like, oh yeah, you can make an offer and then still change your mind. It's like, no, when you make an offer, it's binding. That is it for this video. You guys should comment down below and let me know the things that you hate about these platforms. These are just things that came to like the top of my mind. I just randomly thought of these things. There are other things that irk me about these platforms. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.